Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also purchase my novels This Is My Electronica and Kiss the Girl, Save the World, Kill the Baddie. Your support is highly appreciated. This is a technical episode like I've never done before. You're used with travel stuff on the vlog, but sometimes I might show on the channel something I'm doing at home. For example, this time in this episode I am gonna fix the speakers in my 2015 MacBook Pro. I tried to get a quote from specialty stores, repair shops, and from Apple, and the price would be to repair the speakers that have given up. The price would be 150 or 200 pounds, and I said it cannot be. I'm not gonna pay that much for a laptop that's worth maybe less than 500 pounds. So I decided to do it myself, to purchase speakers from Amazon. You can buy them from Amazon, eBay, but be careful on eBay because there are many scammers selling you stuff out there. And I have decided to do it myself. I have a bit of knowledge, technical knowledge, because I studied electronics in high school and I've repaired many things in the past in the house. I've worked with a soldering gun for many years, even after high school, and I think I can do it. This Mac is I think early 2015, and the model number is A1502. I don't know if you can see it on the camera because the sun is shining. I hope the camera can focalize. So when you're purchasing the replacement speakers, make sure you buy them, or you purchase them for the specific model of MacBook that you own. Because later models, 2016, starting 2016 I think, they changed the design of the internal parts of the MacBook Pro. And I want to show you how the sound is like from these old speakers. They've given up. One second. And the sound is really distorted. When I'm playing music, for example, you cannot understand much and it's like scratching your eardrums. Let's go on SoundCloud and play something for you to hear. Okay, cookies, I don't want cookies. Come on, I just want to hear something. One second, it's asking me to log in. Okay, let's play some electronica. If you can hear, the sound is really distorted. It sounds like the membrane of the speakers got punctured or something like that. Yeah. From the left hand side of the laptop and from the right. Or the other way around. Yeah, it's really bad. Okay. So we need to change them. When you purchase the speakers, many sellers, they give you the tools too, and I'm gonna show you like how the speakers look like this, left and right. It's got stereo sound, and you also get these screwdrivers that look, you know, the screws on Macs, they have a specific design inside, so these are basically Allen keys. They go inside the screw and the pattern is unique, so you need specific tools to open the Mac. Alright, and now the first thing you need to do when you try to repair something is to turn it off properly. And most people turn it off like this. They hold this off button or on button and until the laptop goes quiet. Now, correctly, you have to do it like this. You go to the Apple logo and you shut down the system. 1 second. See, shut down. And the laptop will shut down from the software. And when you want to restart it, you restart it by pressing this button, holding it for a few seconds, and the laptop will restart. Do not turn it off like this by holding this on-off button. All right, come on. Shut down, shut down. Cool. All right. And now I'm gonna set the camera up so it can film the entire process from above. So I need to put the camera like this, kind of. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see if I can find the balance. Maybe lower. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, maybe. Looks good. It's not easy doing this stuff. Alright. Okay, I think this is enough. Cool. I hope you can see properly. And now, you might hear some sounds in the background. I live near an airport, so the sounds of the airplanes might appear in the background because I forgot to show you. This is the view from the window of my bedroom. Quite nice, to be fair. So yeah, the airplanes are landing from there or taking off, boom, going into the clouds. Really nice. I can watch them from my bed. And now let's set up the camera again. Cool. Let's bring it closer. Closer, bring it closer. But you have to see the entirety of the desk. All right, now let's open up the tools to use to open up the bottom, the lid from the bottom of the laptop, so we can access the speakers and start removing them. We feel like a surgeon. Look at this. All right, let's see which one is the right one for these 10 screws. This one? It's not this one. Yeah, it's this one. Yay! And just make sure as you unscrew the lid to place the screws somewhere safe. I don't know if they're safe where I'm putting them, but just there is a recommendation. You don't want to lose any of them because they're really tiny. 2, 3. Alright. I've never done this before, it's the first time. But I said, like, paying £200 to replace the speakers, nah, I'm good. Macs are the best laptops out there, but they still use cheap parts. So you go and you place to their shops and replace it. And replace them. Even if it's Apple, they're building amazing stuff, but still. Some parts, they don't last for too long. Because these speakers stopped functioning properly about 3 years ago, so 3 or 4 years ago. I know I was lazy, I should have done it a long time ago. But many times, in many areas, I'm really lazy. So the speakers lasted about 6-7 years on the Mac. And it's a MacBook Pro. not MacBook Air. And I had other laptops. I'm not a fan of Windows. I will never use Windows again. And I had a Dell laptop, and the speakers never broke, never stopped working. So I didn't expect this from a Mac, but it happened. Okay, let's see how we can take the lid off. I've unscrewed all the screws, but now let's see. Let's take the cover off. Okay, I'm trying, but it's not working. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Whoa. I might need to give it a clean as well. Okay. Yeah. Before I finish everything, before I put everything back together, I'm gonna give it a wipe. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. I hope you can see me. Let me check the camera. Cool. Yeah, you can see everything. Nice, man. Nice. Okay, so we have here the smaller speaker. I mean, the other one has a long cable. We're gonna have to take this out. But the first thing you need to do whenever you're fixing something is to disconnect the battery, because you might touch something on the laptop that you should not touch, and if 2 points that should not be connected get short-circuited, that's it. You might damage the laptop for good. I'm not saying it can happen. You will do it, but it can happen. That's the whole idea. So you have to disconnect. Whenever you fix something, you have to disconnect the battery. And the connection is here. So this is the battery kit here. But you need to find the plug that connects the battery to the main board. So this is it. I'm gonna have to remove this cover from here. Use this. This one is from plastic, I think, so you don't touch connections to cause problems inside the laptop. So this sticker comes off. Yeah, we're gonna put it to the side for now, and we're gonna try and take this plug out. So this is the plug connecting the battery to the motherboard. Let's see how we can take it out. I don't want to break anything else. I don't really have leverage to do it properly, but let's try to do it with this. So you have to be really careful. These are really sensitive circuits. I'm trying, but it doesn't work. It's quite sturdy. I'm trying to lift it, but it doesn't move one bit. I'm gonna have to do something else, or try, keep on trying. Okay, yes, see? So this here is the connection of the plug from the battery to the motherboard. So now it is safe to work on. Just so you know, this, if you've got the same type of MacBook Pro 2015 model, or a few other years earlier, 2011, between 2011 and 2015, I think, this is how you do it. This is the plug from the battery to the motherboard. So now it's completely disconnected. It is time to replace the first speaker. Let me check the camera. Yes, camera is good. All right. So remember, this is the plug from the battery to the motherboard. Now it's disconnected. Boop. And it is time to go in and change the first speaker. We're gonna start with the simpler one, this one here. This is the plug of the speaker, so we're gonna try and take that out. Everything looks so fragile. Anyway, it hasn't been touched since the factory. So you can imagine everything is very stuck. Okay. All right. It had a bit of glue there too. And now let's take it apart. The other one. It's really nice when you have the right tools to do something. It feels awesome. So the screws are a bit longer for the speakers. Okay. Cool. Second one. Third one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really happy when I have to change something to fix a device. I was really like, from childhood I had to know how they work, and I was always taking things apart and trying to understand the science behind it. So now I'm really happy because I haven't done this in a while. I haven't repaired something in a very long time. Okay, this is the new speaker. I hope they are not defective. I hope they work first time. Because it's nasty when you do some work, you buy you purchase some parts, you install them, and then at the end you see that they don't work. So I'm really hoping, I really hope they work. They're good stuff. I mean, like, they're made in China and sold by a company with BV at the end, which tells me they're from Holland or something. But they're still all made in China. They're made in China. China, how Trump is saying, China is the problem. We need to fight China with tariffs. Okay. Did I use the right screws? I feel like, I think I did. Yeah. Because they're different. All three screws of this speaker, they're different in size, in length. Okay, cool. Woo, so far so good. And now let's connect the speaker, the new speaker, to this. Cool. Okay. First one is in place. All right. I'm really proud of myself. I really hope you guys are proud of me as well. Because this is really cool. I've never been inside of a Mac before. I've never been inside of a Mac. Okay, and now, so the first speaker, this one, is done. All replaced. Yeah. Now we need to go to the other side, and this is a bit more complicated because we have to take something out. This part, I don't know what this is, but we have to remove it and then uncover the connection of the speaker, which is longer and it's somewhere underneath. Oh, this one. Oh, cool. Yes, this is the right. I was using the wrong the wrong Allen key. Allen. Okay, these are separate. So I have to remove this plate in order to take this connection out, and then remove the speaker connection, and then the speaker altogether. Okay, let's see. Plate. Okay, plate. Let's put the plate here, and let's try and remove this connection. Okay, this connection. Whoa, look at this. This is very important, man. Looks important. And now I'm not gonna remove it from this side as well because I don't need to. Now I have access to this to the speaker. Let me use this tool in order to remove the connection. Come on, speaker connection, come on. Okay, it doesn't want to move. But eventually it has to budge. Come on. All right, cool. What? Oh, it had something. Oh, I think I've done something bad to it. I should have pulled it. I didn't pull it. But I think everything is okay now. Yeah, should be okay. Something got bent a bit. No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay. Oh no. I pulled the wrong plug. Ah, I pulled the wrong plug out. Oh man. Why did I do that, man? Oh no. Ah, it's back in. Sorry guys, I pulled the wrong plug out. But it's okay. Okay, this is the speaker. There we go. I hope I didn't damage this one. But it's fine. It's back in now. It's cool. It's cool. Let me check the camera. Camera is good. All right. Now let me unscrew these ones. The speaker. Now we can remove it properly. Top. Left, right. See, I didn't pay any attention to the plugs, and I pulled the wrong plug out. Always be careful, because you can damage something, and you don't want to do that. This is the old speaker. I'm gonna put it next to the other one. Now the new one comes in. Okay, Just put it like this and drive this cable around. And drive it around, and plug it in. If I've got really chubby fingers, so I'm struggling to do stuff when the plugs are really small. Let me use this. Okay, the plug is in. Cool. Now let's put the screws on the speaker. This one. No. That's one. This is two. And this is three. Screw number three. Cool. Super duper fly. Okay. Now we have to put this back together. Okay. Everything looks good. Now we need to put this plate back on. Goes here. Let's get the screws. The screws are magnetic a bit as well, so you can manage the screws properly so you don't drop them. Especially these are really small and you can barely hold them with your fingers, with the tip of your fingers. Okay, cool. Now, I don't know, I'm gonna blow onto the motherboard a bit. Just be careful though when you're trying to clean it and stuff like that. The fluff might go into between some connections, and if the electricity manages to go through the fluff onto the other side, you can burn the laptop. So I don't know. Oh, there's something else I need to do. Wait, this is we need to put the battery back. So I changed this one. Connection is fit properly. Second speaker, this is put together, the plate, the connections. I put the wrong connection back as well. This speaker is connected. Okay, looks fine. And now we need to put the battery. We need to reconnect the battery plug. Shouldn't be difficult. That's it. It's in. Everything is as it was before, just with new speakers now. And let's put the sticker back on. This protection sticker here. See, it's made to protect the circuits of the battery, so nothing gets into the inside. Now I'm gonna try and blow, but I don't want to blow the screws. Okay, I put them on the bed. Yeah, I think I'll leave it like that. I don't want to do anything to the motherboard, but I need to clean this plate a bit. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go and bring something to clean it. Let me put the screws back on the desk. like this here. Okay, I'm coming back quick. Okay, I'm back. I'm back, baby. Woo! Okay. So I brought some disinfectant with a cloth, so I'm cleaning it like this. I'm cleaning the spaces around the speakers as well, because they were a bit dirty, dusty and splashed. I mean, this is the opening around the speaker, so you can hear the sound. Okay. Now we are ready to put everything together. I cannot believe that I've done this. Nice. Just imagine if it will work first time. When I turn the laptop on, you know, hearing perfect sound all of a sudden. Ooh-wee. Let's grab the first screw. Get in there. I don't know if this is boring for you guys or not, but it shouldn't be. Because stuff like this, I mean, everybody should be able to do it. Oh, no. Come on, come over here. All of us should be a bit technical. Of various degrees, of course. Well, one point in high school, we were building motherboards, so that was really cool. What? Are they different? Because this one doesn't go there. What? What's happening? They're all the same, I don't understand. He went here, really smooth. He went in. Let's see here, this one. Stop fighting me, man. Cool. So we've put 3 back into place. Let's see this one. Come on. Oh, there we go. Nice. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Come on, man. Okay. And with this one, we finish the top part of the lid of the case, the bottom case. Oh. All right, three more guys, and we're gonna find out if we've done a really good job or not. Two more. Yeah. Whoa. Because of the speaker, it doesn't want to go into the hole. Go into the hole. All right, last one. Wish me luck, guys. Whoa. Okay, let's check the camera one more time. What? Okay. Camera is kind of hot. Let's do this really quick. Let's do this really quick. Let's see now. Let me turn the camera upright. Come on. Okay. Device for your screen will be disabled in 3 seconds. Okay. Cool. But is it filming still? Yeah. Still filming, guys. Yes. All right. Okay, let's do this really quick. The camera is overheating. By the way, I'm filming this in 4K, so if you want to watch it on a bigger screen in perfect resolution, just go to the settings tab right on this side of the screen and choose your desired dimension of the video. Now let's turn the laptop on. Oh, it's starting, I cannot believe it. And the sound, you could hear the sound, I think, already. The startup sound. The famous tune from Apple. All right. Rebooting the system. It's taking a while. Come on, come on. Okay, it's taking a while. I don't know why. I mean, it's an old laptop. It's got 10 years now. 10 years of life. Cool. Yes, let's put some, oh, 1 second, let me put the camera down in order to put the password in. Okay, and we're gonna go back to SoundCloud and play something on the new speakers. Yes. Okay, let's go on SoundCloud, and before I do that, I want to remind you that you can purchase my novels. This is about electronic music. This is my electronica. You can find it on Amazon and everywhere else in digital. On Amazon, on paperback too. And this one, Kiss the Girl, Save the World, Kill the Baddie, written in 2021 with episodes from my life. Highly educational. Get it, boys. Boys and girls, and read something amazing. Brilliant read. Okay, let's go on SoundCloud now and test the speakers. Okay. Right, SoundCloud. SoundCloud. Am I connected? I am. Let's play something from Harsh Richie Komoto. Let's see. This guy is from Ibiza. Okay, yeah. Crisp sound. All right.
Buenos días, señoras y señores. This is Pixie-Komoto's audio self-defense. Today with a special show. Mixed by Eli Larson y Pixie-Komoto. And you are listening to
Ibiza Global Radio.
Wow. Yeah, the sound is not exactly like the original speakers, like from the original speakers, but it's still good. Still good.
they're made in China. The Chinese are to blame for everything, even for these speakers.
Yeah, I've done it, boys. I have changed the speakers on my MacBook Pro 2015 for the first time. I've never changed any parts on any Mac so far. I've done it with PCs in the past. My first ever PC, and yeah, after moving to London, I gave up using Windows because I was tired. Windows is messing up with your head, all the viruses and stuff, and these are perfect, almost perfect laptops. And now, with new speakers. Yes. That's the sound of new parts in the laptop. Yes. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna stop it because, you know, copyright on YouTube. We've got all these issues with the copyright. I have changed the speakers on my MacBook Pro. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned because me and my brother were going on holiday between 5th and 9th of September, and we're gonna go somewhere really nice. Yeah, join me in the next video. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Best of luck in everything you do.